Rex, hold on! Rex, no! Oh. Oh my God, you won't believe what just happened. Emergency. My dog has fallen into the ocean.
We're dispatching rescue teams immediately.
Team, we have a code red situation. Move to your stations immediately.
I have a new target vector.
Confirming coordinates now.
All right, team, let's get this launched.
Copy that, all systems checked. Target spotted.
Rex, I repeat, target spotted.
We have visual contact. Rex, still with the Dolphins. Prepare for approach. Gentry, gently. Easy does it, Rex. You are almost there.
Rescue is complete. Patient is stable.
Good job, everyone.
Well done, team.
He's safe now.
Check his vitals. What are his levels looking like?
Not good. His temperature is dropping.
Oxygen saturation is stabilizing.
Good boy, Rex. You are doing great.
Fluids are flowing.
Is it secure yet?
Secure yet? Tell me it is secure.
We've got him stabilized. We're going to get him to the animal hospital for a full assessment.
Thank you so much.
We have a full assessment on file. Excellent.
Excellent. Let's get the imaging done. His oxygen levels are holding steady.
Good boy, Rex.
Is he gonna be all right?
He is stable now. The vet is confident he will recover.
He's doing so much better. Look at those vital signs.
His natural strength and resilience are evident as he begins recovery.
Oh, my sweet boy. I missed you so much.
Rex shows continued improvement, now sitting up on examination table with owner beside him.
You're doing so well, Rex. Almost there, boy. Good boy, Rex. You are doing so well.
He's made remarkable progress, a truly resilient spirit.
We're so proud to see Rex thriving.
You did so well, Rex.
Thanks, Rex.
Yes, you did.
Good boy.
It is. All right, you got this.
Oh, my boy.
Look at you, Rex. So full of life.
It's a perfect ending.
Absolutely. Omega Save. We are here to help.
Patient is stable, ready for transport.
Omega Save didn't just save Rex, they saved my family. Their professionalism and compassion made an impossible situation possible. Have an emergency? Call Omega Save 24/7 hotline 1-800-OMEGA-911.
This is where the continuous learning and improvement come in.
I think it's more of the unique cooperative behavior. So this is why the Dolphin cooperation was so unique.
Yeah.